Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a countdown timer in Squarespace. Countdown timers help add urgency for launches, sales, or special events. Let's get started with a simple way to add a timer to your Squarespace site. First, open your browser. Once your browser is open, go to squarespace.com. After that, log into your account. Once logged in, go to your mini profile account and click the account dashboard. Now that we are on the dashboard, let's go to the website section so we can add our countdown timer. Before we add the timer to Squarespace, we need the HTML code for the timer. To get this, go to labwork.com and create a timer. Set the date and hours you want. When the code is ready, copy it. We will use it later. Now let's go back to Squarespace for the next steps. On your website, click this website, then go to Pages. Once we are in the Pages section, click Edit. For this example, we will add a section to place the timer. Adjust the section as needed. Next, click this unblock and select the code option. Under Code, choose Embed. When you select Embed, double-click this one and paste the URL we copied from the countdown timer. Wait for confirmation. When it is confirmed, your countdown will appear. Please note, adding a JavaScript or iframe embed is only available for premium users. Since we are not premium users, this is just a preview. When you are done, you can place the timer wherever you want. This is just a preview because we are not premium users. But if you are a premium user, it will appear. Just save and accept. With the timer in place, your website can drive more attention and engagement around important dates.